So the question for this video presentation is, what is a dormant company? What compliances needs to be done for a dormant company? And is there any option to do limited compliances? And why people may keep a dormant company live? So let's have a look. So first of all, let's understand the meaning of dormant company. The dictionary meaning of word dormant means something that is sleeping, resting, something that is not really active. So the definition of a dormant company according to IRAS is a dormant company is the one which does not carry out any business and has no income for the whole of the basis period. For example, if the company did not carry on business and had no income for the whole of the basis period, ending in let's say year 2019, it will be regarded as a dormant company for year of assessment 2020. So the basic principle that is applied in determining dormant company is whether the company is inactive or it has ceased doing the business, and whether it has any income for the year or not. So according to the criteria for dormant company is as follows: that there are no sales invoices during the entire period. Total expenses are generally less than 1000 Singapore dollars in a year, and total number of transactions is less than 100 in a year. Now, why this kind of criteria is because the primary focus here is on sales invoices, that is, whether the company has made income or not. And secondly, even if a company is dormant, you will notice that there will be some transactions, like the bank organization might charge some bank charges every month to keep your account active. So it generally happens even if a company is dormant, some transactions will be there. But what is important is that it should not be a sales transaction. There should not be a single sales transaction, and the other transactions are limited in number and amount. So the next question then is, what is the impact of declaring a company to be dormant? So if your company is dormant, you can inform this to ACRA and IRAs, and once informed, you will have to file a Form C waiver to IRAs, and that means from that year onwards, till the time you declare that the company is active, you don't have to file Form C, that is the income tax return. So the company that is declared dormant is exempted from filing income tax return with IRS. You don't have to file any financial statements with ACRA, and you don't need to conduct any AGM. You can just file a simple annual declaration by way of annual return saying that the company is dormant and is not doing any business. So as a result, the company comes down significantly. However, keep it in mind, if you are a foreigner, this saving may not be significant because you still will have to pay for the nominee director charges every year, which is quite a big component. So now the next question is, why somebody may keep the company in dormant stage instead of closing it down? Because logically, if the company is not doing any business, you should not keep it on and just close it down. So there can be some reasons, and few of the reasons are as follows. The company may not be making any income, but it may have some assets or contracts which needs to be completed, or the company may have rights exercisable over a period of time, and for that company may need to be kept live, or the promoter might be uncertain about the closure of the company and may plan to start the company again. So because of these reasons, person may decide that let the company be active for few more years, and then he will take the call when to close the company. Now the next question is, can the company be reactivated again? So the answer to this is yes, you can easily reactivate. For this you just need to notify ACRA and IRAs, and the company will get out of dormant state after you inform them, and then you will have to follow the normal compliance that every company is required to do. So in summary, dormant companies have very limited compliances. So in case your company is not active, you can explore this route of declaring a company to be dormant and then have reduced compliance. Obviously, the cost of maintaining dormant company also will be quite low, especially for those companies who are promoted by local Singapore residents.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.